And there's a hallmark by the neck thing here. There's like a hallmark 14 karat gold filled, and this one has a hallmark too, 14 karat gold filled, small, guys. See, see, 14 karat gold filled, and right here in the neck thing. Where's that? I look at in the, yeah, somewhere in there, guys. There's a hallmark by the neck. And, so you need to watch out the neck part. This one I thought they're not together, but they are together. Where's the hallmark over here, guys? See? And it's hard to see, but it's a dinty. Where are you? So you need to look at good by the, yeah, right there, guys. See? So they are together then, because I thought they're not together, but they are. So 14 karat gold filled. I got this from the thrift store, and so, oops, it's just so cute.